Today I'm walking you through my honest review of Blom Bank UAE based on my personal experience using their digital banking platform. I'll cover how the website works, the features you get with their accounts, the pros and cons of their service, and how it compares to other banks in the UAE. When you first land on the homepage, the design is fairly simple, nothing too modern, but everything is clean and easy to navigate. One thing I noticed right away is that it doesn't feel optimized for mobile, especially when viewed through a browser. The mobile app does a better job, but we'll get to that shortly. Opening an account through Blom Bank UAE was not exactly smooth. The online application is available, but there are quite a few manual steps. You'll be redirected to contact forms, and sometimes need to follow up by phone or email, which slows down the process. Compared to other UAE banks and a full digital onboarding, Blom feels a bit behind here. However, once the account is opened, logging in and accessing the online banking dashboard is fairly straightforward. You get access to account summaries, transaction history, transfers, and utility bill payments, but the interface feels outdated. Security-wise, they do offer OTP-based logins and transaction approvals. But there's no biometric login on the web platform, and the app only offers Face ID or fingerprint support on select devices. While it's functional, the user experience could use a serious update. Navigation is sometimes confusing, with overlapping menus and inconsistent button placements. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now let's talk about the mobile app, which is available on both iOS and Android. It performs better than the desktop version, although it's still a bit clunky at times. Basic tasks like checking your balance, transferring money, or paying bills are easy enough. But when it comes to more advanced features, like applying for loans or accessing detailed spending reports, the app falls short. It's clear the app is meant for essential banking only, and it hasn't been updated with more modern financial tools, like budget tracking or investment insights. Customer service is another mixed bag. If you're calling their hotline, be prepared to wait. Response times by email are also slow. On the positive side, when you do reach someone, the support is polite and generally helpful. But in a market like the UAE, where competition among banks is high, this is a serious drawback. Blom Bank UAE doesn't offer as many account types or specialized services as other banks either. If you're an expat looking for international banking options, currency flexibility, or investment services, this bank probably isn't your best bet. However, if you just need a basic account with a functional, albeit outdated, online platform, it could work. To sum it up, Blom Bank UAE is a traditional bank that's trying to adapt to the digital age, but it's not there yet. The website and mobile app both work, but the experience lacks polish, speed, and modern features. If you're tech-savvy and expect a seamless digital experience, this bank might not meet your expectations. But for users who just want a no-frills, basic account, it may be sufficient. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and walkthroughs of UAE financial services.